Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Ayydrean and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I wanted to give you guys a review on the Fila Disruptor 2 shoes in black. I will be doing some unboxing and try on, and I will show you how I would personally style these kind of shoes. So yeah, let's dive right into it. So I got my Fila shoes from Journeys, as you can see. But you can probably get them anywhere online or in other stores that are close to you. Now this is the box they come in. It has the Fila logo in the top, in the sides, the other side, and the other side. And here on the label you can see that these are a size 8.5 Disruptor 2s in the color black with red and white details. In addition to that, I also bought these Fila socks, which are from eBay. They costed around $7 and they bring 3 pairs, so they're pretty affordable socks, and they will make a this will make a huge difference when you're trying to style these shoes. When you open the box, you can see that it has wrapping paper, which you guys do not care about and I do not care about, so let's put it away. And here are the shoes. So this is how they look, and not gonna lie, I'm really digging these kind of shoes, you guys. I love the details that it has with the black and white. The jaggy pointy edges in the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's try using the wrapping paper again so that you guys can see them better. Now I really like the details of these shoes. I think the black and white looks so dope with the black shoe, and I love that it says Fila everywhere. Like it has it here on the sides, has it here on the tab, on the back, and here on the bottom it says it too, with the jaggy pointy edges that look really good in my opinion. Now many people in the internet have said that you should size up these shoes because they can run a bit small, and I definitely have to agree with them. I'm usually a size 8, and when I tried this on they felt really tight, so I had to go half a size up. Now I know that not many people are a fan of chunky shoes because either they think they look too big or they don't know how to style them, but will that stop me from wearing them? No! So I'm gonna go out now and try these out for you guys so that you can see how they look on the feet, and I'm also gonna show you a few outfit ideas that might help you out when you're trying to style these type of shoes. So I think that this is all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and if you didn't, I'm sorry for wasting your time. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.